stock is booming, but is it too late to invest? Or is this just the beginning of something much bigger? In today's video, we'll break down why Google stock, also known as Google, might be heading to the moon and why you might want to consider buying before it's too late. Whether you're in the UK, the US, Australia, or Canada, this is a must-watch if you're serious about growing your money in 25. Google, the current landscape, visual, Google HQ, CNBC Market Watch headlines, Google price chart. Alphabet Inc., the parent company of Google, is trading strong. As of May 2025, the stock is hovering around XYZ, with analysts predicting major upward movement due to innovations in AI, advertising, and cloud services. From the UK's FTSE investors to Wall Street bulls, Google is being watched closely and for good reason. Why Google stock is taking off: AI developments, Google Cloud logos, Google Pixel products, YouTube clips. Here's why Google stock could shoot to the moon. AI dominance. Google's Gemini AI is being adopted faster than ChatGPT in enterprise. Cloud expansion. Google Cloud just overtook AUS in specific sectors. YouTube monetization, more creators, more ads, more cash. Pixel hardware success. Pixel 9 just disrupted the smartphone market globally. This isn't just a tech giant, it's a growing empire. How much could you gain? Visual, profit calculator animation, historical growth charts, investor reactions. If you had invested $1,000 in Google 5 years ago, you'd have nearly doubled your money. Experts from Canada's BMO, Australia's CommSec, and even London's Barclays now suggest price targets as high as $5,000 per share by 2020. That's not a moonshot, it's a projected trajectory. Are you waiting for the perfect time to invest? Many people hesitate. The truth is, now is the time to act. In this video, we'll discuss why you should invest in Google stock today. Our end goal is to help you seize this opportunity before it passes. First, you must understand the current market situation. Interest rates are stabilizing next year. Inflation is on a downward trend, creating a favorable environment. Now, let's explore the importance of investing sooner rather than later. Holding cash can actually lose value in savings accounts in Canada and Australia. In the US and UK, every dollar and pound can go further when invested wisely. Next, consider the risks involved. Every investment carries some risk. Google is currently facing regulatory pressures from the EU and US. Competition is fierce from Microsoft and Amazon. However, remember, market dips can present great opportunities. It's all about focusing on long-term gains. Now let's discuss practical steps on how to invest. If you're ready to take action, investing apps make it easy. In the US, check out Robinhood and Fidelity. For the UK, consider trading 212 or free trade. Australians can use Stake or CommSec, while Canadians should look into Wealthsimple. Start with just $50 and gradually build your Google position. To summarize, now is a prime time for investment. With stabilizing interest rates and managing risk, there's potential for growth. Apply this knowledge and start investing today. Will you be part of Google's future success? If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Are you planning to buy Google stock in 2025? We'll see you in the next video. Have you ever wondered about investing in stocks before they soar? Many people missed out on Amazon and Tesla. Now, another opportunity may arise in 2025 with Google stock. This tutorial will explore the reasons to consider investing in Alphabet Inc., Our end goal is to understand why experts recommend buying Google stock in 2025. Let's begin with the powerful forces behind Google's growth. Step 1. Google is dominating AI. The Gemini AI model is integrated throughout its services like Search and YouTube. This positions Google at the forefront of AI technology. Step 2. Google owns its user data and hardware. This ownership gives Google a significant advantage in deploying next-gen AI models. Step 3. In 25, corporations are adopting Gemini Pro. This transition will provide a substantial new revenue stream for Alphabet. Step 4. Next, let's discuss Google Search. This platform remains profitable and is evolving with AI advancements. AI is making search ads smarter and more engaging. Step 5. Google Search continues generating over half of Alphabet's revenue. Enhanced user engagement in Canada, Australia, and the UK is resulting in increased ad click rates. Step 6. Now, let's move to YouTube. It's the second most visited site globally, dominating the online video space. YouTube Shorts is growing rapidly, taking advantage of competitor hurdles. Step 7. Alphabet is enhancing monetization options for content creators. This strategy boosts revenue and attracts more creators to YouTube. Step 8. Finally, let's examine Google Cloud. In 2025, it's becoming a strong competitor against Amazon and Microsoft. Major clients are choosing Google for cloud services. Step 9. Google Cloud's revenues are increasing significantly. Its integration with Gemini AI and custom chips like TPU enhances its offerings. Now, let's summarize the key learnings. Google is positioned strongly in AI and cloud services. Its search engine and YouTube are driving substantial revenue. With these factors, investing in Google stock may be wise. I encourage you to apply what you've learned. Research further into Google's current stock performance and how these trends may shape its future. Consider whether 2025 is the right time to invest. Don't miss an opportunity like the ones others faced with Amazon and Tesla.
Have you ever wondered how self-driving cars will change our world? Today, we'll explore Waymo's advancements in autonomous technology. Our goal is to understand Waymo's impact on the transportation industry. First, let's discuss Waymo's mission. Waymo aims to create safer streets with self-driving cars. They have launched robotaxi services in Phoenix and San Francisco. Now they are expanding their services to Los Angeles. This shows their commitment to innovation. Next, let's examine Waymo's valuation potential. Experts predict this division could be worth hundreds of billions. This growth potential may lead to a future IPO. Waymo's steady approach builds investor confidence, especially amid competitors facing regulatory challenges. Now let's shift gears to Alphabet's revenue strategies. They have diversified their income with subscription services. Google One, YouTube Premium, and Google Workspace are all part of this. These subscriptions ensure predictable revenue, reducing reliance on advertising alone. Now let's look at their impressive financial performance. In Q1 2025, Alphabet reported $80 billion in revenue. They also achieved over $25 billion in net income. Additionally, they announced a massive $70 billion stock buyback plan. This signals their belief that company stock is undervalued. Next, let's discuss Alphabet's global positioning. In times of economic struggle, Alphabet remains resilient. Their revenue isn't focused on one region, it's global. This presence provides protection from localized economic downturns. Lastly, we'll talk about stock accessibility. Alphabet's recent stock split made shares more accessible. This increase in liquidity allows more investors to participate. In Q2 2025, they ranked among the top 5 most purchased tech stocks. In summary, Waymo is transforming transportation. Alphabet's diversified revenue streams boost their financial strength. Their global presence insulates them from economic shocks. Plus, accessible stocks encourage retail investment. Now that you know about Waymo's advancements, consider how this technology could impact your life. Embrace the future of travel and stay informed.
Are you confused about Google's stock price predictions? Many investors are unsure where to turn next. This tutorial will help you understand expert price predictions for Google. Our goal is to empower you with insights to make informed investment decisions. First, let's look at major institutions raising their price targets. Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs, and RBC Capital are targeting $220 per share. Next, consider the reasons behind these predictions. They highlight Google's robust AI capabilities and impressive cloud growth. Another factor is Google's diversified revenue streams driving consistent growth. Now, let's transition to why these predictions matter to you. Understanding expert forecasts can enhance your investment strategy. Then, keep an eye on the market trends that support these predictions. Always analyze company fundamentals when making investment choices. In summary, experts see Google's stock continuing to rise due to strong indicators. Remember, don't wait for headlines to inform your decisions. Take action today with the insights learned in this video. Invest wisely, and don't miss out on potential gains.